filing tax returns for U.S. citizens living in Canada. Over 1 million U.S. citizens are living in Canada, yet many of them are unaware of their tax filing obligations with Uncle Sam and the Canada Revenue Agency. After watching this video, you will never miss a tax filing deadline again. U.S. Personal Tax Return Form 1040. As a U.S. citizen, you must file a U.S. Personal Tax Return Form 1040 by April 15th of each year, even if you don't have any U.S. income. On this return, you must report and pay U.S. income taxes on your worldwide income. If you are residing outside of the U.S. on April 15th, then you get an automatic extension to file Form 1040 until June 15th. Remember to file on time, as the late filing penalty is 5% per month of the tax balance owing on the filing due date. FBAR. If you have bank or financial accounts outside of the U.S. with a total combined value of $10,000 or more at any time in the year, then you must report these accounts on a special information return called the FBAR. Bank and financial accounts include Canadian checking accounts, Canadian savings accounts, Canadian brokerage accounts, TFSAs, RRSPs, and so on. The FBAR filing deadline is the same as your U.S. personal tax return. Failure to file with the IRS can result in a penalty of $10,000 for each bank and financial account not disclosed. Foreign tax credit. Without foreign tax credits, you would be double taxed as a U.S. citizen working and living in Canada. You would first pay tax to the Canada Revenue Agency on your salary, and then again to the IRS upon filing your U.S. personal tax return. Fortunately, you can avoid the double tax problem by completing and submitting Form 1116 to the IRS. With this form, you can claim a foreign tax credit to reduce your U.S. income taxes for all or a portion of the Canadian taxes you paid. Given that Canadian tax rates are generally higher than U.S. rates, you likely won't owe any U.S. taxes if most of your income is from Canada. Registered Education Savings Plan. If you contributed to a RESP for your child, you must file 2 forms each year with the IRS. Form 3520, due on the same date as your personal tax return is, and Form 3520A, which is due on March 15th. Because the IRS treats a RESP as a foreign trust, you must pay U.S. taxes on the income earned each year by your child's RESP. Canadian Personal Tax Return. Your Canadian Personal Tax Return, Form T1, is due on April 30th of each year. As a resident of Canada, you are liable for Canadian income taxes on your worldwide income, which must be reported on your T1 return. Similar to the U.S., Canada also allows you to claim foreign tax credits for U.S. taxes paid in order to avoid double taxation. So here's the tip. Remember to file your U.S. personal tax return each year with the IRS, even if you are living outside the U.S. Complete the FBAR for foreign bank and financial accounts that you own. Claim foreign tax credits to avoid double taxation. And finally, if you contributed to a RESP, complete and send Forms 3520 and 3520A to the IRS.